Assalamu alaikum. Dear student, here question 6. If A is equal to matrix having elements 1, minus 2, 3 and 4, B is equal to matrix having elements 0, 7, minus 3 and 8, find in first 3 A minus 2 B. In second, find 2A transpose minus 3B transpose. Solution: in first we find its second part, that is equal to 2A transpose minus 3B transpose. We write here 2 into matrix having elements 1, minus 2, 3, 4 transpose minus 3 into matrix having elements 0, 7, minus 3, 8 whole transpose. In next, we just interchange the rows and columns of the given matrix. So 2 into matrix having elements 1, 3, minus 2 and 4 minus 3 into matrix having elements 0, minus 3, 7 and 8. Now we multiply constant as a 2 with every elements of the given matrix and 3 multiply with every elements of the given matrix. So 2 multiply with 1, it becomes to 2, 6 minus 4 and 8, minus 3 multiply with every elements of the given matrix, it becomes to 3 multiply with 0, it becomes to 0, 3 multiply with minus 3, it becomes to minus 9, 3 multiply with 7 becomes to 21, and 3 multiply with 8 is equal to 24. In next, we find their difference of these two matrices, that is equal to 2 minus 0, 6 plus 9, minus 4 minus 21, 8 minus 24, that is equal to matrix having elements 2, 15, minus 25, minus 16. Its first part solve yourself. In question number 7, if 2 into matrix having elements 2, 4, minus 3, A plus 3 into matrix having elements 1, B, 8, minus 4 is equal to 7, 10, 18 and 1. Then find the value of A and B. Solution: we write 2 into matrix having elements 2, 4, minus 3, A plus 3 into matrix having elements 1, B, 8, minus 4 is equal to matrix having element 7, 10, 18 and 1. In left hand side, we in first multiply 2 with this matrix and 3 with this matrix. So 2 multiply with 2, it becomes to 4, 2 multiply with 4, 8, 2 multiply with minus 3, that is equal to minus 6, and 2 multiply with A is equal to 2A. Similarly, 3 multiply with each elements of this matrix, so it becomes to 3, 2B, 24, minus 12, that is equal to 7, 10, 18 and 1. Now we find the sum of these two matrices, that is equal to 7, 8 plus 3B, 18, 2A minus 12B, that is equal to matrix having element 7, 10, 18 and 1. Now these two matrices are equal, so both matrices are equal, so their corresponding elements are equal. Now we compare their elements. So in first we just compare 8 plus 3B, that is equal to 10. So this is equation. We find here the value of B. So 3B is equal to 10 minus 8 and 3B is equal to 2. So the value of B is equal to 2 over 3. Now we compare 2A minus 12, that is equal to 1. So 2A minus 12 is equal to 1 and 2 is equal to 1 plus 12 and 2 is equal to 13. So the value of A is equal to 13 over 2.